Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make eggplant with eggs, stir fry. Please stay tuned. I'll show you how to make it. ជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងឆាត្រប់ជាមួយពងទាញ៉ាំ So first you slice the onion thinly. ទីមួយយើងកាត់ខ្ទឹមបារាំងឲ្យវាស្ដើង Now you're gonna cut the eggplant. I just use one eggplant. It's pretty big. So I don't eat the skin. So I peel it off. ហើយខ្ញុំមកចិត្តទៅសម្បកត្រប់ចេញព្រោះខ្ញុំអត់ញ៉ាំទេសម្បកវា And then now we're gonna slice like into and half an inch. And then you're gonna julienne it like into another half an inch. ខ្ញុំកាត់វាប្រហែល1 inch ទេឲ្យវាដូចlike a chopstick ដូចកោះចឹងណា So put it into like half an inch wide. And then you're gonna take it to wash before you stir fry it. យើងកាត់រួចហើយយើងត្រូវយកវាទៅលាងទឹកមុននឹងយើងឆាញ៉ាំ Now you saute the onion a little bit, brown, crispy. And then you're gonna add in the eggplant. Now put the eggplant in and mix it all together. Then you chop the brown or you ring alcohol toជាមួយខ្លាញ់ and then យើងដាក់ត្រប់ចូលហើយយើងទៅកូរវាឲ្យវាចូលជាតិគ្នាតិចសិនទៅ So now we're gonna start adding some spice. I put in almost 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then I put in a little bit of salt. Put in a little bit of salt, put in a little bit of soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons. Then I'm gonna put in a little bit over a tablespoon of fish sauce. Then I put in, then after that I put in the garlic powder a little bit, black pepper, and then a little bit of about a tablespoon olive oil, and sweet paprika. ឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំដាក់គ្រឿងខ្ញុំដាក់ស្ករ2ស្លាបព្រាបាយទឹកស្អុយ2ស្លាបព្រាទឹកត្រីប្រហែល1ស្លាបព្រាកន្លះខ្ញុំដាក់ម្រេចខ្ញុំដាក់ onion garlic powder ខ្ញុំដាក់ sweet paprika and then ខ្ញុំដាក់ black pepper tablespoon of olive oil and then ខ្ញុំដាក់ minced garlic. So យើងរួចហើយទៅយើងក៏កូរវាឲ្យវាចូលគ្នាទៅ And now I add in half a cup of hot water. Then ខ្ញុំដាក់ទឹកក្តៅកន្លះកែវយើងកូរវាឲ្យសព្វចូលគ្នាទៅ And then after you pour in the hot water you mix it all in together. And I'm gonna crack in 4 organic eggs. I put it on top of the eggplant. ហើយខ្ញុំដាក់ពងទាចូល4 គ្រាប់ I don't mix the egg in together. I just leave it on top like that. Just like I'm steaming the eggs. And then after that, you just cover it, put on low heat, medium low, for about 5 minutes or so. And then when you open it up, យើងគ្របវាទៅហើយយើងចម្អិនវាប្រហែល5 minutesទៅឥឡូវយើងបើកគ្របចេញមកឃើញត្រប់ខ្ញុំវាទន់ល្អទន់ទៅចូលជាតិស្រួលធ្វើបើអ្នកមិនសូវចូលចិត្តធ្វើម្ហូបហើយចង់ញ៉ាំភ្លាមខ្ញុំថាស្រួលធ្វើនឹងមកបាក់យើងយក10ទៅត្រដុតយកដាក់យកត្រាប់ទៅដុតឬមួយក៏យើងត្រូវឆាត្រប់វាចុះខ្លាញ់ច្រើនណាស់ធ្វើអញ្ចេះវាអត់សូវប្រើខ្លាញ់ច្រើនហើយឆ្ងាញ់នេះសាកមើលទៅទាំងអស់គ្នា So now the eggplant is very tender, very soft. It mixed in with all the spice. It tastes really good. You guys should try it. It saves time. It's a quick dinner, weekday dinner after work. So I want to thank you all for watching my video and please help my channel to grow by subscribing, sharing, commenting. Nhâm xôm ở kun. So thank you so much. See you soon. Xôm ở kun bong bong tất cả để ban mơ video nhâm. Xôm chui channel nhâm. Từ một phong. Xôm chui subscribe, share and comment. Xôm ở kunច្រើន ជួបគ្នាថ្ងៃក្រោយទៀត Bye bye